Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can make some good monies, PayPal cashes. This application really it pay. It is, I give it 5 star because it's really pay. So let's go to application and I'm gonna show you how you can earn coins, ClipClap coins automatically, just watching videos in simple ways. So the application look like this. If you are first this application is first time for you, you can use my referral codes to get 1 USD. Just simply put my code. This is, as you see, this is the payment proof. Sign up, then withdraw 0.10 cents, as you see. So if you sign up, you will get 1 PayPal cash, 1 USD, then scratch one ticket, then you get the second one cash. You have 2 USD cashes, so you can withdraw that amount of money, then invite some friends. If you would like to use my referral code, I put on the screen, as you can see. So don't forget, always, as always say, to subscribe, like and comment to my channels. I really thank you so much for that. So as you see the application, it have some funny games you can play. Right here you can earn much more coins. The coin will convert to a PayPal cash, USD. Okay, yeah, so let me show you how I'm gonna watch automatically without typing, without clicking this video and earn the coins. So what we have to do is go to Play Store, then search ClipClap application. This is a really nice application. As you can see, this is the application. I already installed the application, so no need to download it again, but you have to download and follow this simple step to launch up the application. Click on the to enable the access, click on number 1, just click it, then you'll go to the next step. So enable all the settings, then launch the application. The application make you earn automatically without clicking, without watching, without scrolling the videos, simple ways. So give the permission for click. So as you see, I'm gonna give it the permission. After you give the permission, go back to the application, then set up it. You can read from here how you have to use, but simply you can see my videos on it. So click on the record mode to watch that videos. Click on record mode, then go to the application, the ClipClap application, and then simply click on record, start recording. Yeah, simply after you start recording, then you will gonna stop it. Okay, it's automatically. Then as you see, I recorded, then now scroll down and then left it. Okay, then stop recording, then go to option, load and save settings. Okay, you have to go to option and load settings. Sorry, go to the wrong way. So this is the exact setting. Then repeat count, click on repeat count and click make it 0. Okay, 0 means infinity. As you see, it is infinity. Repeat count is infinity. Then enter the time used, the time, right, 9999. Okay, then now go back to the application and simply start it. Yeah, start it. You don't need to type, you don't need to do anything. Just simply start it and leave it. Put on the charge your mobile, you will earn the coin. Exactly, you don't have to type, you don't have to do anything. If you look the video, then scroll down to the next video, scroll down to the next video. Simply just, you don't have to do anything, just put it on, charge your phone, keep earning, make a lot of money per day. Simply you earn ClipClap coin. That coin gonna be converted to USD dollar, I mean PayPal cash dollars. You're gonna earn it. So as you see, I didn't type, I didn't click on any of it, but simply the application doing itself, it's doing its job, but by its own. So happy earning. Hope you're gonna like this video a lot, because it is a really easy way. No need script, no need HTTP, I mean inject application to inject. Just no need to anything. Just simply within this application automatically earn. This application, it is a light, it is a pay, it's really pay, and I give it very good rate for this application. Don't forget to use my code. It is, if it is your first time, I put on the screen as you can see. Use my code, get 1 USD dollars, then subscribe, get the second one, enjoy earning. Hope you're gonna like it a lot, I'm sure. Don't forget to give me a like. If you are new to my channel, click on subscribe, hit the bell button. That will really help me, and thank you so much for your appreciation. Okay, so let's wait a little to see the results, then I'll show you. Okay, enjoy your videos. Hope it is cool, I mean. So let's wait a little. Okay, I know my accent, I mean my English is not okay, not good enough, but it is really okay to I mean it, even if it is not okay, you can understand some little point. Releasing a song and a click, that is means nothing. Okay, if there is something you hear, something you with the sound better, I think you will understand. So click on the reward application, reward tab, then as you see, open it, boom, you will earn a lot. I can assure you that. Okay, thank you for commenting, liking, and subscribing. Keep subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Wait for my next video. Hope it's really cool.